Good afternoon. My name is Safari Dean, and I will be talking about various ways to improve engine efficiency. My first problem: cars are the largest contributing factor to greenhouse gases over any other sector, and they are the major causes of death by air pollution annually. Second problem: cars aren't as efficient as they need to be, as people are burning through their tanks in about 2 weeks. And as gas prices continue to rise, it becomes harder by the day to fill up your tank. The first solution was lighter wheels. Not only is there less inertia from them, making them lighter can improve braking, give better handling, and, shown by a study from TireRack.com, can improve fuel efficiency on the freeway by 5%, as well as on city streets with a constant acceleration and deceleration. These wheels will be made of materials such as aluminum, magnesium, plastic, fiberglass, and carbon fiber. Another thing will be bigger wheels. Moving away from 18-inch wheels to 20 to 21-inch wheels would also increase fuel efficiency, as there's more rotational speed with bigger wheels. Although they wouldn't get up to speed as fast as 18-inch wheels, since they would technically be heavier, they would require less energy to keep them at cruising speed. Also, these wheels in particular are forged alloy wheels that not only are they lighter and stronger than the traditional steel or cast iron wheels, they are also more durable, although they are a bit expensive. The second solution would be more advanced hybrids. Hybrid powertrains are fundamental to better fuel efficiency as it allows for a smaller engine to be used, which in turn lowers the fuel needed for the car to run. As the hybrid can provide most of the power, N-type hybrids can run on their electric powertrains alone, although only for a limited amount of time. The next would be reducing vehicle weight. The lighter the vehicle, the less energy it needs to get moving. Uh, removing removing weight also decreases the vehicle's rolling resistance, which is a force that resists forward motion produced as the wheels move forward. Reducing a vehicle's weight, even by 10%, can improve the fuel economy by 6 to 8%. Using materials such as high strength steel and aluminum, and even other materials such as magnesium and carbon fiber composites, could greatly reduce the vehicle's weight and improve fuel efficiency. Using these materials would also decrease component weight by 75%. But everything does come with its flaws, as carbon fiber and magnesium aren't that easy to join with other materials and they're quite expensive. The last thing would be the MGUH. The MGUH, or a motor generating unit, collects heat from the turbo to produce electricity and even power when operating at low speeds. Motor assistance permits better combustion, reduces exhaust emissions, improve torque response and torque boost, and this would work with towing vehicles and such. And at high speeds, it would improve efficiency by producing electric power, which in turn puts less stress on the engine and would lower the wear and tear of the engine as well. The turbine housing and turbine wheel. The turbine can generate energy the same way a wind turbine can. It takes heat from the turbo and converts it into energy. Center housing and electric motor as well as control unit. The center housing puts the exhaust gas from the engine to work. Not only are those gases going to spool the turbo as a regular one does, those gases are going to the motor, harvesting energy then later put back into the turbo, which eradicates turbo lag as well as getting extra torque at low end speeds. Again, as I alluded to earlier, this will help with towing vehicles. And the control unit. The control unit controls the speed of the turbine, preventing it from overspeeding, and regulates the speed of the compressor as well. The compressor housing and compressor wheel The compressor wheel characterizes airflow and turbo efficiency. It brings in air through a filter, compresses said air, which in turn increases the air pressure, which is then sent through the wheel and compressor housing. The wastegate actuator. This controls the speed of the turbine, preventing it from overspeeding and regulating the speed of the compressor. Ultimately, this helps to protect the turbocharger from unnecessary wear and tear by capping the maximum boost pressure of the turbo at a safe level. Closing. Hopefully, the effects of the solution will greatly decrease the fuel intake of vehicles per gallon and the level of pollution that's caused by said vehicles per year. Hopefully, this solution will also decrease gas prices, which in turn will drop the prices for all complementing commodities. Here are my resources, and thank you for listening.